This is how you detail a 2022 GR Supra. Make sure you get yourself a shop vac. Make sure the interior is spotless. And this is leather, whether it's synthetic or not. I'm pretty sure it's real leather. But, you know, all those humane societies might not want that to be possible. I have a secret to how I polish my leather, but I'm not going to reveal it just yet. Even the dashboard, everything is crisp and crinkly. The most important part were the wheels. How to get all the way in there. I missed a spot. So it's nice to see that how it used to look to how it looks now. Even the calibers. Missed a few spots where I couldn't reach, but I'm not perfect. I used a wash mitt to get into the back. I missed a few spots. Don't get me wrong, I did do some driving. So this might be new. But you can see I missed some spots. That's okay. The finish is clean. This is that protective film. Need to finish the carpets, of course. The rugs. Floor mats. So the calibers were a little bit dirtier than this, but they're nice and red again. By the way, I did a secret little secret 1200 mile break-in celebratory. Vroom vroom. With a little bit of involved. That's cool. I just noticed there's a QR code on my tie. I've never seen that before. There's a QR code on my tie. Wow. Technology, right? I use Windex for the glass. These are some of my products. So, no plugs, no sponsors. So I use this to get the body. I use this on the wheels first. I rinse it out and whatnot. I use the knit to get reaching inside the wheels. I use the gray to dry the wheels from the dust. And I use a regular old towel to keep the body, dry the body. So as I finish up the carpet, I like how the gloss, it's nice and glossy in here now. There's a little secret that I use for the leather. I'm not gonna say it, but that's why it's nice and bright like that, lustrous. Might go back and hit the inside again, but it's all good. Better than how it looked before. So this is how you keep a 2022 super clean.